Good evening, students. This is Vijay once again, and this time I came with part 3 of algebra in math subject. And as I already told you, I have done 2 parts before in English and also in Telugu language. So this video is in English language. Part 3 of algebra in English language. And if you wish to see the same video in different language in Telugu, so you can click the link given in the description box. So students, and welcome to our channel Anglam Max. So now let's get started with our topic, and we'll continue the topic with the last question is 16th question. Now we will start with 17th question. So what is the 17th question, students? Question in algebra. Part 3 English. Okay, students, last time in the last class we done till 16th question. This is 17th one, and it will be in format x plus 1 by x equal to 3. Find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Students, see, last time what I have told you, I told you that when there is x square in the question, we need to do squaring on both sides. But in this question we have x power 4. So in order to get x power 4, we need to do squaring on both sides twice. So first we will do once. Let's do one time squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what we will have? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 3 square, 9. X and x get cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 9 minus 2 equal to 7. See students, what we have? We have x here. We need x power 4. But what we are having now? X square. So what we require now? We require x power 4. So to get x power 4, we need to do squaring on both sides again. So again, if we do x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square equal to 7 square, 49. So x square and x square get cancelled. So what we have now? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 49 minus 2. What we have? 47. This is the answer which we require. But students, here, see, we can apply shortcut. What the shortcut I told you? What is the shortcut I told you first? If there is same number or same variable in denominator and numerator, we can just cancel and we will be having with only 2. So what we have having here? A square minus 2. The formula which we know is a square minus 2. What is a here? We have a as 3. So what is 3? 3 square minus 2. 3 square is 9 minus 2 equal to 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. What is this? It is x square plus 1 by x square. Question is x plus 1 by x. So we have x square plus 1 by x square. This one. See, x square plus 1 by x square. Now we can apply the same formula again. Apply same a square minus 2. What is a square? 7. 7 square minus 2. 7 square, 49 minus 2 equal to 47. What is this? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 47. See here, this is x square, this is x power 4. X square we have in question form, we got x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. What is required here? Okay. See students, we'll go to next question. Observe clearly, it's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, next 18th question. What we have? we have x square plus 1 by x square equal to root 5, and they have asked us to find x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. The same method, just we have root 5 here. So I recommend you to just solve this question before playing the video. So what we have now, x power 4, what we need to do? We need to do squaring on both sides, so that I will just explain you clearly how to do squaring on both sides. See students, what is x square? It is given here. So do square. What we get? X power 4, because 2 into 2 get multiplied here. So we get x power 4, and do again squaring here. What we get? 4 2s 8. So x power 8. The thing which we got here is the thing which we are doing here. So what we need to do here? We need to do squaring. We get x power 4 square, and again squaring x power 8. The required question. So first we need to do squaring on both sides here. So if we do squaring on both sides, we get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square equal to root 5 whole square. X square and x square get cancelled. So we have x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 5. Students, so many students know how to do this one, how to cancel square, but for some I am saying, please listen here, root 5 whole square. See, the value of root is 1 by 2. That is, here we have root 5 here. So the value of root 2 is 1 by 2. So what this root will become? 5 power 1 by 2. This root is written as 1 by 2 here. So already we have square on top. So we need to keep square here. So what will it become? So 5 into 1 by 2 into bracket will get multiplied. So 2 into 2. 2 into get cancelled. So what we have? 5. The thing which we did here is the same. Okay. What we got? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 5. Next what we require? We require squaring on both sides again. Squaring on both sides. So what we get? X power 8 plus 1 by x power 8 plus 2 into x power 4 into 1 by x power 4 equal to 5 as 25. X power 4 get cancelled. So what we have? X power 8 plus 1 by x power 8 equal to 25 minus 2. So 23. See, we got 23 here. We will apply shortcut now. See, apply shortcut now. What is the shortcut? Think. What is shortcut? Shortcut is a square minus 2. What is a here? Root 5. Root 5 whole square minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Oh, see, we need to get 5 minus 2, 3 here. So we did wrong here. See, we got here root 5 whole square is 5. And plus 2 here, we need to take that side. Minus 2 equal to 3. Okay. So we get here 3 square 9. 9. We get 7 answer. Okay students, sorry for doing wrong here. So here the same thing again, a square minus 2, 3 square 9 minus 2, 7. What is this? X power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. What is this? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Before what we have? X square plus 1 by x square. So we have x square plus 1 by x square, we got x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, and at final we got x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. The simple basic thing is we just need to do squaring on both sides or 2 times. So we got what is required, x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. Okay, next question. We have x. What is our next question number? Next is 20. I think we have done 18, right? So next is 19. Remember this question number, students. Why I am particularly writing this question number? I already told you in the last two classes that I write this question number in order to make student convenient. That is, if any student didn't get any question, didn't get the solution, how I have done, so you just make a comment in the comment section so that I will get to know which question you have doubt. So I will take those questions and I'll make a separate video for those things, and I will try to explain them in a different manner, in different style, with different examples. So this question number is very important, as I just want to make it as a live interaction, maybe not at present tense, not in present, but in future. So remember this question. What is this 19th question? What is our question is? X power 25 plus 1 by x power 25 equal to root 13. And they asked us to find x power 100 plus 1 by x power 100. This is the given question and they asked us to find this one. So we will do directly, as this is the same thing which we have done in the last question. What is that? What we need to do? A square minus 2. What is a square? 13. 13 minus 2, 11. What is this? X power 50 plus 1 by x power 50. And what we require now? X power 100 plus 1 by x power 100. We got x power 50 here. So what we need to do? Again the same thing. A square minus 2. What is a here? 11 square minus 2. 121 minus 2. 119. See student, we have done almost 10 seconds for it. So we just require only 5 seconds. See, I'll do. Okay, a square 13 minus 2, 11. Okay, we got 11. 121 minus 2, 119. This is the thing which you need to do in exam. This is the thing which I done it to explain students, to know students how to do these sums. So students, practice more so that you can solve it in 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. The maximum time is 2 to 3 seconds for every question. And this question is asked in various number of competitive exams. So we'll take next question 20. In 20 we have root x plus 1 by root x. They will use something and they will ask us to find x square plus 1 by x square. We will take x square plus 1 by x square. We will take root 14 here. Okay students, don't get confused by seeing roots here. The same thing which we done till now. What we need to do? What is here? Root x. Also separately see here root x. We have root x. What we require? We require x square. So what we need to do here? Squaring. Do square, we get x, because this square and this square get cancelled. But we have x here. What we require? X square. So what we need to do? We need to do square again. Do square, we get x square. So the same we need to apply here. Apply here. Squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x plus 2 into root x into 1 by root x equal to root 14 square. This square get cancelled. This root x get cancelled. We have x plus 1 by x equal to 14. We got x plus 1 by x equal to 14. What we require? X square plus 1 by x square. Squaring on both sides. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 14 square, 196. So x square plus 1 by x square equal to 196 minus 2 equal to 194. Okay students, the same thing we can do in shortcut, because numerator and denominator is the same. We can cancel it and will be remaining with 2. The same thing, a square minus 2. What we have? A square, root 14 square minus 2. 14 minus 2, 12. See here, again I made a mistake here. 14 here, right? Take this 2 to that side. We get 12 here. So what we have here? 12 square, 144. 144 minus 2, 142. 142. So here 14 minus 2. See, I can make mistake in in basic method, but in shortcut see very easy. I didn't make mistake till now, so that means shortcut is comfortable for every student. So 12. Again we need to apply a square minus 2. What is a square? 144 minus 2 is equal to 142. So we got the answer. The same thing. Students, you got my point. Okay. Now we will move a step forward and we will take a new concept now. Till now, what we have done, just have a glimpse over it. Till now, they have asked us x plus 1 by x, and they asked x square plus 1 by x square. Otherwise, they asked x square, they asked x power 8, they asked x, they asked x power 12. Something they have asked till now to square. Now they are asking to reduce. What they are asking? They are asking x square. They are asking us to find x, like x square plus 1 by x square. They will ask, and they will ask us to find x plus 1 by x. Reverse engineering. Okay, the same thing we are coming from opposite side. They ask Lx power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. They ask, and they ask us to find x square plus 1 by x square. They might ask x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, and they will ask x plus 1 by x. They will ask us to find x plus 1 by x. The same thing which we have done here, we need to do in the reverse order. But there is a change in formulas, there is a change in equations. I will explain you how. Just have a look over it. Here, we will take it as 21st question. Okay, we will start from basics. What is the question? The question is x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, this is, we will take 7. They ask us to find x plus 1 by x. So this is the given, and they ask us to find x plus 1 by x. So what we need to do? What do you think about the question? Till now we got x plus 1 by x, something 7. They asked us to find x square plus 1 by x square. This is the thing which we have done till now. See them. The same they gave in the reverse form. So first we will start with this x plus 1 by x. I will just explain you how this can be solved. Take x plus 1 by x whole square. We will make it square. As you know, a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a here? X. What is b here? 1 by x. Just solve it. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. What is this? X and x get cancelled. So what we require and what we have? We require x plus 1 by x. This one, x plus 1 by x. So what we have? X square plus 1 by x square. So we can do like this: x plus 1 by x equal to root of x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. See student, this is square here. If it goes to right side, it becomes root. Okay, this is 2 here. If it goes right side, it becomes root. The same thing, root and 2 in the upper part get cancelled here. The same thing. So the square will become root that side. So we got the required form. What the required form? X plus 1 by x. See, this is the question asked here. So what we are having? We are having only x plus 1 by x square. So substitute the value which we have. We have x square plus 1 by x square equal to 7. So 7 plus 2 is root 9. What is root 9? Root 9 is 3. See, we can do root 9 as 3 into 3. Okay. If we have 2 3's in a single square, we can cancel 1 3 and we can write 3. Because here it becomes 3 square, root of 3 square. So this 2 and this square get cancelled, and we will be left with 2, 3. The same thing which I wrote directly. Okay. Next question. Students, do you got my point? You might not understand this clearly, but in a time being, you will get to know how to solve these questions easily, because we will be doing n number of sums based on the same logic and based on the same concept. This is just starting. We are at nursery level. We need to go till degree level. Okay. We have chain marker. Okay, what we have now? 22nd question. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to, there is something. We'll take 7. And they asked us to find x plus 1 by x. See student, the same thing. We know that if we have x square plus 1 by x square, we got x plus 1 by x. So, in order to get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, we need to convert it into x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, and again if you want this, we need to do this. See, I will solve you one question so that you will get to know how to solve this question easily. So we have x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So take x square plus 1 by x square, squaring. Okay, square it. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square. X square get cancelled. So what we are left with, x square plus 1 by x square root of, this square will go this side and becomes root. So what we have here, 7 plus 2. Plus 2 is root 9. Root 9 is 3. So what is this? X square plus 1 by x square. But we don't require this thing. We require x plus 1 by x. So in order to get x plus 1 by x, the same thing we need to apply here. So now take, we have x square, so we take x plus 1 by x now. Think as like this. Think like, if we have x power 4, we need to do x square. If we have x square, we need to take x. Means we just need to reduce off. 2 to 1, 4 to 2. So x plus 1 by x whole square. In order to get this, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. This x and x get cancelled. So this square will go this side and become a root. So x square plus 1 by x square is what we have. X square plus 1 by x square as 3. So keep here 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Root 5. What is the answer? Root 5. So you got my point, students. We have x power 4. But what we need x. So in order to make this form into this form, we need to reduce this. So in order to reduce this, we need to square a square. X square plus 1 by x square whole square. We have x power 4. So in order to get x power 4, we need to do square of x square. So squaring on both sides, x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. So we got x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 as 7. So keep here 7 plus 2, root 9, 3. This is x square plus 1 by x square. See, this will go this side and become root. So this is the thing which we have, but we require x plus 1 by x. So we need to do square of x plus 1 by x. We need to do square of x plus 1 by x. What is x plus 1 by x whole square? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So this 2 will go to right side and become a square root. The thing which I have done here. So we get x square plus 1 by x square has 3. So 3 plus 2 is root 5. This is the required question and this is the required answer. Okay, we'll move on to next question. We'll take next question as 23. What is 23? We have x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 119 and they asked us to find x plus 1 by x. They asked us to find x plus 1 by x. So what we need to do? Just make it off. X square plus 1 by x square whole square equal to x square x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. This square will become root over here. So root of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 119. 119 plus 2 equal to root 121 equal to 11. Root 121 is 11. So what we got here? X square plus 1 by x square. But what we require? We require x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x, we need to do square. The thing which we require, we need to take and we need to square it. That's the point here. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 plus 2. That x and x will get cancelled. This 2 will go to right side and become a square. So root of x square plus 1 by x square is 11. 11 plus 2. What is 11 plus 2? Root 13. Okay. 11 plus 2 is root 13. Okay, we'll take next question. Do you got my point, students? So we'll do it in a very short form. The short form is just we will skip some steps. See here, we have x power 4, so we require x square plus 1 by x square. We know it as root x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. We know that. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 119 plus 2 equal to root 121 equal to 11. So what is this? X square plus 1 by x square. Okay. But we require x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x equal to root of, we need to take the same part here, 11 plus 2, root 13. If we do practice, we can just solve like this. We don't require, we won't use these things in exam. We just write this and this and answer. Done. 5 seconds up. Okay. We'll do next question in short form. We will not be solving in a long form. We'll be doing in a short form. The same here, this method. But so many students will not get this method immediately. So I will try to solve with maximum steps. I will try to solve this sum with using every step possible. Okay. We'll take next question, 24th question. We have x power 20 plus 1 by x power 20 equal to 527. And they asked us to find x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. Students, what I told you here, we have x power 20. So we will take x power 10 plus 1 by x power 10. And what we need to do? We need to do square. So that we will get what we require. Okay. What we require? X power 20. See, I will write easily. X power 10 whole square. See, x power 10 whole square plus 1 by x power 10 whole square plus 2 into x power 10 into 1 by x power 10. This x power 10 will get cancelled, and this square which is on left side will go has root on right side. So what we have now? Root of x power 20 plus 1 by x power 20 plus 2. So what is x power 20 plus 1 by x power 20? We have 527. So root of 527 plus 2, 529. What is root 529? Root 529 is 23. What is 23? It is x power 10 plus 1 by x power 10. But we require x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. So in order to get x power 5 1 by x power 5, we need to do squaring. Whole square. What is whole square? X power 10 plus 1 by x power 10 plus 2. So this square will go here as root. So we have x power 10 plus x power 10 has 23. So root 23 plus 2 equal to root 25 equal to 5. Root 25 is 5. Okay students, we will stop here. Okay, we will do one more sum and we will complete this topic, so that in the next class we can take a new concept. We will do one more sum, last sum for this session. Okay, 25th question. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 62, and they asked us to find root x plus 1 by root x. Okay, x square plus 1 by x equals 62, and they asked us to find root x plus 1 by root x. So here see, take this one, root x whole square, square and x will get cancelled, and we have x. So again square, so we have x square, the thing which is asked here. So what we need to do? Students say what we need to do? The half of x square. What is half? X plus 1 by x whole square. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2. This square become root. X square plus 1 by x square is 62. Root 64. 62 plus 2, 64 equal to 8. What is this? X plus 1 by x. But what we require? We require is root x. So what we need to do? Take root x plus 1 by root x whole square. Root x whole square plus 1 by root x whole square plus 2, and this square will go here as root. So root 2 and this square get cancelled. So what we are left with? X plus 1 by x plus 2. What is x plus 1 by x? X plus 1 by x is 8. So root 8 plus 2 equal to root 10. Okay students, this is last question of our class, and I suggest students to not liking and commenting. It depends on you, but I would like to suggest to subscribe. See students, I don't want students to view my videos or like that. I am recommending students to subscribe, because if I make any video, they will get the notification immediately. So if they got the notification, they will have intention to see the video. If they don't get notification, they will forget the thing. So I recommend students to subscribe my channel, so that you will get a notification, and I recommend you to immediately view that, so that you will be in a good form. So thank you students. Bye. See you.